You must be wondering how we transition from our backyard to taxes. And I'm sure you might have some questions at this point. Well, it's raining outside and we can't do much about the yard. So let's go inside first. So first thing first, why am I making this video in English? So this video is not just for my YouTube family, but also for the people who I meet in my day-to-day. They ask me a lot of questions about tax, so through this video, I hope to answer some of those questions. So in this video, we are going to talk about two things. First, filing taxes in Canada and my experience doing it. And second, we'll talk about tax system in Canada and how it compares to India. So for filing taxes, I have partnered with TurboTax for this video. TurboTax is Canada's #1 tax software, and the best thing about it, it's free. Yes, you heard it right. You can file your taxes for free in Canada with TurboTax. My husband and I have been using TurboTax ourselves for the last 3 years, and we have never paid anyone anything to do our taxes. As you know, I work in HR. A lot of people ask me questions related to tax, so I usually direct them to TurboTax just because it's so easy to use and it's so thorough. Usually my husband does all the financials and I take care of all the house duties. But today we are going to switch our roles. He is going to clean the house and cook lunch for us, and I have taken on the challenge to do our taxes. My husband can actually clean the house, but he clearly has no idea how to cook. To be honest, even for me, I'm filing my taxes for the first time independently. But you know what? I'm fairly confident that I'm going to do a better job than him. So today, I'm going to do my taxes on my phone using the TurboTax app. The TurboTax app is a free-to-use app available for mobile, tablets, or your computer. You can start on one device and pick up right where you left off. It can connect to the CRA and automatically pull all your information, so you don't have to worry about T3s, T4s, or T5s. The tax filing process itself is very simple. TurboTax will ask you a lot of questions based on your circumstances to make sure you get all the credits and deductions. It also contains any new changes every year, so you don't miss any possible refunds. Since we file our return with TurboTax every year, it automatically pulled my information from the previous year, making the whole process even faster for me.
Okay, चल रहा तुम्हारा?
मेरा तो बढ़िया चल रहा है, आपका कैसे चल रहा है? कोई खुशबू वगैरह कुछ नहीं आ रही खाने की?
चल रहा सरप्राइज है।
Okay.
एक थोड़ी सी हेल्प कर दोगे?
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
ये मैं आईफोन छुपे जा रहा हूँ।
एप्रन तक तो बांधना नहीं आता, क्या आपने किचन के काम करने? चलो।
Thank you.
This app is suitable for anyone, including salaried people, students, contractors, small business, and seniors. It goes through over 400 deductions and credits to maximize your refund, and the best part is it's free. Whew. And just like that, we are done. I had to get a few documents from my husband, so it took me some time, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm so happy and I can proudly say that I have filed my taxes for the first time. And from my experience, I would say it was a very good experience. It was almost like giving an interview, and I felt like I was being guided at every stage of the process. I really want to thank TurboTax for partnering with me for this video. And now I understand why my husband has been using this for so long. The one thing that really surprised me was the amount of taxes I have to pay. And this is a very hot topic for our friends and family who live in Canada. Especially compared to India, taxes in Canada are very high. Sometimes you do feel the pinch when you don't even get to see such a large portion of your salary. Just to give you a sense of how the tax rates are, I pulled this tax bracket chart from the internet. Salaried or self-employment income is taxed at the other income tax rate in this table. You can see that the minimum tax that anyone is subject to is 20% up to $45,000. The tax rate quickly climbs up. A well-to-do professional here easily makes about $100,000 and is subject to almost 43%. Obviously, these rates are marginal tax rates, which means the first $45,000 for everyone would be at 20%. And if you make more, let's say $49,000, then only the extra income from $45,000 to $49,000, which is about $4,000, is subject to the higher rate of 24%. The most interesting thing is that if you're a very high income salaried person making more than 200,000, some of your income is being taxed at 53%. More than half the income you earn goes towards taxes. And it doesn't just end at income taxes. Even the indirect taxes, which includes GST or HST, is 13% in Ontario. A camera that I plan to buy soon costs $1,000. The taxes on it are worth $130, as you can see here. So for the high earner we just spoke about, the government takes away 53% from the paycheck, and anytime that person buys something, she gets taxed another 13% for a total of 66%. Almost 2/3 of her salary is going to taxes. So I wasn't joking when I said taxes in Canada are high. But at the same time, there are so many good things which have been funded through these tax money. It could be small things like well-maintained parks, infrastructure, assistance to those who need it. And then there is a big stuff like free medical facilities and free schooling. So you don't have to pay for the schooling of your child up to 12th standard. And here, most of the children go to public school and get educated for free. And in terms of medical facility, most medical is free. From my personal experience, we had a baby in our family a couple of years ago, and the mother was in hospital for 4 days. And all we had to pay was parking for 4 days. That's it. And let me tell you, parking is expensive in Canada. And all these facilities may not sound like much, but they become especially important for maintaining equality in society. If you don't have to worry about schooling for your child or visit to the doctor or your health for that matters, you can focus on providing a better life for your family. And it has other benefits too, like reduced crime, better standard of living, and healthy and happier population. So that was all about taxes. I'm happy I tried something new and I was able to do it. So I don't have to worry about it for another year. And now hopefully weather gets better so that I can go to my backyard and start working there. Thank you so much for your time and watching today's video. Hope to see you next week. Keep spreading happiness. Take care. Bye.